Hi, welcome to the STR8CHEM. My name is Farah and I'm from F04. In this video, I will discuss about diagnostic test 2, questions number 5. So the first thing we need to do is read the questions carefully. The molecular formula of trioxane, which contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, can be determined using the data from two different experiments. In the first experiment, 17.471 gram of trioxane is burned and 10.477 gram of H2O and 25.612 gram of carbon dioxide are liberated. In the second experiment, the molecular mass of trioxane is found to be 90.079 gram. What is the molecular formula of trioxane? So the questions wants molecular formula. If we want to find the molecular formula, we need to find the empirical formula first. So let's draw the table. Ta-da! Like this. So many of you put the H2O and CO2 mass into the table. It is totally wrong. Sebab dari soalan, dia bagi molecular formula of trioxane which contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So, kita boleh letak carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen sahaja dekat dalam table. So, we don't know the mass of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but we can find it using the formula, which is step 1, find mass of carbon from carbon dioxide. And the formula is mass of carbon dioxide times molar mass of carbon divided by molar mass of carbon dioxide. So, mass of carbon dioxide 25.612 times by molar mass of carbon, which is 12 gram, divided by molar mass of carbon dioxide, which is 24 gram per mole. So we get 6.9851 gram of carbon. So put this value into the table like this. And then step 2, we need to find the mass of hydrogen from H2O. And this is the formula: mass of H2O times molar mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of H2O. Mass of H2O is 10.477 times molar mass of hydrogen is 2 gram, and divided by molar mass of hydrogen H2O is 18 gram per mole. So we get 1.1641 gram of hydrogen. So put this value here in the table. And then step 3, find mass of oxygen. And this is the formula to find the mass of oxygen. Mass of trioxane divided minus mass of carbon plus mass of hydrogen. I'm sorry. So mass of trioxane is 17.471 divided minus by 6.9851 plus 1.1641. So we get 9.3218 gram. So put this value into the table, and then we get all the mass. So the second is we need to find the mole. So this is how we find the mole. Mass divided by molar mass. And then we get 0.5821 for mole of carbon, and then 1.1641 divided by 1, we get 1.1641 mole of hydrogen, and then 9.321 divided by 16, we get 0.5826 mole of oxygen. So next we need to find the ratio. So the ratio is mole divided by the smallest mole. So the smallest mole is 0.5821. So all of this mole we can divide this mole with this mole. So ratio for the carbon is 0.5821 divided by 0.5821, and then we get 1. So ratio for hydrogen is 1.1641 divided by 0.5821, and we get 2. And then oxygen, 0.5826 divided by 0.5821, and then we get 1. So 1 to 1, the empirical formula is CH2O, because C is 1, H is 2, O is 1. So we get the empirical formula. Step 4, we can find molecular formula from empirical formula. So this is how we find the molecular formula. So in the questions gave us 90.079 gram equal to CH2ON, which is this one, molecular mass equal to empirical formula times N, and then we get 0.079 gram equal to 30 N, and then we get N equal to 3. So therefore we can find the molecular formula, which is empirical formula times N. So empirical formula CH2O times with N, which is 3, and then we get molecular formula is C3H6O3. So that's all. Thank you for watching and good luck.